Hi Maniacs, welcome to our channel. This is the Michigan Maniacs. I am Joe, Stuff's behind the camera, and we are here in Marvin's Marvelous Mechanical Museum. We're going to check this place out. It's got tons of cool stuff. It's been featured in tons of magazines, tons of shows online and on your cable network. Really known historical, been around since the 1930s. So come check it out with us and let's see what we can find. And we are on the road today to Marvin's Marvelous Mechanical Museum, founded in the 1930s by Sam Yagoda, operated as a pharmacy, and now has evolved to an even bigger museum of coin-operated animatronics, games, and some really cool stuff. It's been featured on American Pickers. It's been a huge thing that we've seen time and time again that's evolved, and this place is world famous. One of the top places in Weird, Michigan that's featured. It's a really cool adventure, and believe it or not, we've never been, and we're not too far away.
Okay guys, so we just kind of came in here, and you can see Joe getting some change over there, but this is like a first look that you get when you come in here, and you can see there's so many different things. So let's go ahead and explore and see what we can find.
All right, so I got my quarter cup here. Everything is old school change, which is kind of cool though. So we're gonna play around and kind of experiment and show you guys what this place has got.
Ah, look, a little bit of GE here. We normally bring good things to life. I like that with normally is underlined there.
And ironically, this guy's in an electric chair. So
yeah, so
the irony of that.
So let's go ahead. Maybe we should go ahead and see what he does.
All right.
So everything that you do here, it does cost some money. So we got some change, 50 cents. Let's see what happens.
Oh, man. Oh.
Wow.
Not bringing him to life.
Look at that GE at full power here.
Oh man, full throttle here. Yikes.
All right, so we have, how would you say that? What is that? Prophecies.
Estrella's Prophecies.
All right, let's see what Estrella
We're gonna
has.
see what happens here. Put
This
our
one
coin
costs
in here.
25 cents. So,
Here we go.
all right, Estrella, what do you got
What does
for
our
us?
fortune tell us? Apparently nothing right now.
Estrella, come on.
Here we go.
Oh,
Here we
here
go.
she
Here we
goes.
go.
Okay.
Here comes the fortune. All right. Let's see what we get here. Very slowly. Slowly.
Reminds me of like a Golden Girl.
Is that you, B. Arthur?
We could see Estrella and the Golden Girls.
Wait a minute. She's going to a card.
Uh-oh.
Is this a sign of things to come? Oh, wait a minute. Oh,
And out pops
got
out
something
here. Let's see what we got.
Your fortune. Your future life will be very sunny. I see it in a chest full of money. Be free to spend it as you see it, because there will be plenty more of it. You are a fortunate person. You were born under a lucky star, and that will carry you safely throughout all your ventures. In time, your love life will be something for the world to talk about. You will be extremely happy. There will be those who will envy you and try to harm you. Just really learn who your true friends are, and all will go very well with you. Your lucky stone is a ruby. All right, cool. Well, hey, that's pretty cool. So pretty positive fortune. So thank you, Estrella.
Thanks, Estrella.
For the awesome prophecy.
All right, so we have a special treat here to show you. Dr. Ralph Binge and Purge.
County Food Inspector. I can hardly wait to see where this one is. This one's going to be interesting, I think. Blinking lights, never a good sign.
Oh, he's not looking so good. Oh. I think, you know, honestly, I think he was maybe a little bit not at full capacity working, but definitely cool nonetheless. All right, so time to ask the brain. Let's see what this guy's got.
What wisdom will he provide? Here we go.
What? You want answers? Well, grab hold and let us see what life is
Uh-oh. Red lights. Nope. Your fortune. So put your age in the two blanks on the first line, the age of the one you love in the blanks of the second line, and the last two numbers of the year in which you were born in the blanks on the third line. Add the three columns. The first will be a good day of the month for planning, the second for action, and the third for affairs of the heart. And the first column is the smallest. You should be happy and successful.
Didn't your mother teach you anything?
Interesting.
Now, why are you still standing here? Get! I've got other customers out here, you know. Next!
Thank you, brain. Shall we play it?
Let's do it. Better go to the top left. Top right. Aww.
It's gonna be a draw, guys. He didn't beat me. I won tickets, guys, for the draw. Hey, look at this.
Ooh. Okay guys, so this is called the waiting room. 25 cents here. Let's see what it does.
Time for the Spanish Inquisition. They are being tortured. Not the way to go.
It's bizarre.
This is definitely interesting. Alright, now if this doesn't give you nightmares, I don't know what will, but this looks creepy. Oh my god. Can you say odd? Old King Kong. Here we go. See you in your dreams. So guys, this is the original founder, Sam Yagoda, obviously in the medical pharmacy industry. I love the little cigarette there curled up in between his fingers. But this is the old school founder from the 30s, kind of cool. It's an interesting looking polka.
There's some trucks, buddy. Here's some trucks, buddy. We got some trucks. Put it in here and it slides out and you don't dump trucks.
next time.
Welcome to Uncle Oscar's post-mortem marriage observation. Here's your dearly departed host, Uncle Oscar. You know what it means to come home at night to a woman who'll give you a little love, a little affection, a little tenderness? It means you're in the wrong house, that's what it means. Actually, I never knew what real happiness was until I got married. And then it was too late. I was the only man in the world with a marriage license made out to whom it may concern. I must admit, married life does have its perks. One night, my wife met me in the door in a sexy negligee. Yeah, unfortunately, she was just coming home. This has been Uncle Oscar's post-mortem marriage observation.
It's nice to see you're back.
I certainly hope you guys have enjoyed today's installment of Marvin's Mechanical Museum in Farmington Hills, Michigan. If you like this video, be sure to like it, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos from the Michigan Maniacs as we take some more adventures to all things local in Michigan. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much, and hope you're along for the ride for us because we've got some great adventures planned and much, much, much more to come.